it was always Aquino versus Marcos. That's the story, the narrative. And yet we are seeing now that the next generation of Aquinos and Marcoses can work together. How did that happen? You met BBM in
Malacanang.
and in Bicol ba?
That's the first time.
Yun.
A few years ago.
Yes.
But recently, actually last week in Malacanang, no?
Exactly.
For education, no? Unang-una, I think we have to agree that we will always disagree on certain things. Yung pananaw ko, pananaw natin, baka magkaiba talaga sa pananaw ng ibang tao. You cannot convince me and I cannot convince you on certain matters in our history. Done. Pero yung pangangailangan ng taong bayan, napakatindi, napakagrabe. We're all voted by the Filipino people para magtrabaho, Karen. Hindi kami nandito para lang mamulitika or para mamulitika sa panahon na ang raming problema ng bayan. And I've chosen to focus on education. And currently, the things that we're espousing, gaya nung pagtugon sa classroom gap, pagtaas ng budget sa edukasyon, merong convergence. And hindi lang siya between the administration and me. Here, sa Senate, basta education, lahat nagbaband together para pagtulungan ito.
So pag nagkikita kayo ni BBM, na Pangulo ngayon, no? Pero
Shake hands.
given yung history, shake hands.
Hello, Mr. President.
Yan.
Hello, Senator ba? Magano'n. Okay naman. I mean,
Walang bagahe, walang ganon.
masyadong maraming problema ang taong bayan. Kasi ano mangyayari? Oh, galit ako sa'yo, galit ka sa akin. I'm the Education Committee Chairman, you're the President. Kung gagawa ako ng batas, hindi mo pipirmahan dahil Aquino ako. Hindi naman pwede yun. Or dahil Marcos ka, hindi ako gagawa ng magandang batas para sa mga kabataan. Hindi na naman pwede yun. The way our government works is that dito pa lang sa Senate, kailangan pagbotohan nyo yan. Magkakaiba kayo ng political party, magkakaiba kayo ng pananaw sa napakaraming bagay, but you have to vote to get a bill passed. And then, the President has to sign that. Pwede niyang i-veto. So, the way our system works is that somehow, kahit yung magkakalaban o hindi magkakaalyado, they have to come together for the people. That's the beauty of our system.